Good morning, Center 2. So today we're going to be practicing with the lowercase cursive r. So before we go into it, I just want to show you some of the r's that I'm getting and why these r's are not correct, right? So one of the first one is that the r is going too close up to the line and it's very, very wide, like it's this wide. This is not correct. And the lowercase r should be used in like half of the line because it's a lowercase. The other kinds of r that I'm seeing is that they're going too deep down, like this. Now this looks like an M or a totally different r. So we don't want to do it this way. We don't want to do it this way. So let's go ahead and take a look. Going to start at the bottom of the line. You're going to curve up a little bit halfway into the line. Curve up a little bit, not too deep. Back down, out. Now because we're going straight into the word red, we go directly into that E. We don't lift our hands up off the paper. We continue gliding and then we go straight into our cursive D, come down and around. So we're going to be doing the word red today, and I think we can fit at least 3 reds on our line. Some people are sending me work with only 2 on the lines, and then they're not getting enough practice, right? The reason why we do it over and over is so that we can practice it and get better. Also, some people start off nice and neat, and then when it comes to the bottom of their page, they start rushing it and it doesn't look very neat. Take your time and practice it for the entire page, right? Because if people are rushing it, not doing it well, sending their work and it's not well, we're going to stay on the letter for a longer time until we get it right. So try your best. So go ahead, 3 on each line, skip a line, 3 on each line, skip a line, 3 on each line, skip a line. And then you send me a picture of this. Bye.